Okay, so we were eating apples and shooting our bows, and then he's like, I know exactly what we should do. I was like, what? He said,
nice windy day, hang an apple from the tree.
shoot an apple with our bow. So, did you put a screw in the tree?
Yeah, just so that way when we're not shooting, because I'm going to put the string up here and leave it. But, so now I got to throw this wrench over that.
Where are you throwing?
Over that lamp.
Why don't you just put a screw in the tree?
I want it to hang in front of the target, and that's where the target always is. And then if we get like another.
All right, so we're throwing this wrench over this branch. Come here, puppies. Out of the way. And first try, nailed it. Kind of. Oh, there we go. This is such a good apple.
There we go. Almost right where I wanted it.
Watch out, fishy. So the apple is gonna hang from the string, and 30, what is it blowing today? 30?
20, 25, guess 30.
You heard the man. 20, 25, gusts of 30. Hey, that's my string. Howdy, girl. Say, give me some more apple. Put the put the bow target on a put the bow target on a, what am I trying to say? On a tote. Huh? It's so cold today. I'm in like winter clothes. Freezing. All right, let's shoot. Brr. It is almost June and it's freezing. Look at the banana tree. Woo! Where is the apple?
Alright, let's go hang it. It's even got a bite. Nice shitty apple.
Oh, the bluebird! You see him on the corner of the barn? Oh, you see him? Woo! Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Oh, baby, you hung it up. I missed it. Let's see it.
What about our height?
Maybe move the bow target over a little bit. No, that's a little too much to the tree. It needs to come this way. Yeah, especially because of the wind. You're on a rock. It still needs to come more this way, I think. See? You gotta read the wind. Alright, so I didn't get it on video, but there was 2 bluebirds. Yeah, if you catch the wind right. Alright, come on, fishy. Patty. Oh, these stupid moles. They're tearing up the yard. We need a mole trap.
Now when the wind's not there, the target's farther away. Whatever.
Well, maybe move it. Move the...
You got me moving it already?
Well, I don't know. Alright, the wind was gusting. Hattie girl, watch out, baby. Fisher is gonna come over there and eat it. Let's see what he does. Chomp chomp. Get it, Hattie. It's like at the fair. Get that apple, Bubba. Show Bubby. Buxton, get the apple. Buxton, right there. Show Bubba. Show Buxton. Buxton.
It's like above his field of view.
Show Buxton. He'll get it. Get that apple, Bubba.
He can't see it.
Show it to him.
It's swinging right past him.
Bubba, right here. See the apple? Ooh.
Oh my God. Oh, he had it.
Really? Oh!
Get it, boy.
Okay, so new way to entertain fishy. Woo, fishy, get it, boy! Oh! Oh! Get that apple, Bubba. Get that apple, Buxton. Get it, Bubba. Get it. Oh, get it, Bubba. Oh. All right, shall we shoot it? Come on, fishy. Let's go. Oh, fishy. Here, fish, look. Look, fish. Look, hey. Look at this. Hey, look. Come here, fishy. Fisher, come here. Oh, he got it. Come here, fish, look. Fisher. Fishy, hey. Hey, look at this. Look. Come on, let's go this way. Come on, let's go. Come on, boy, let's go. I'll feed you this one. You ready? Mm-hmm. Let's see what you got. Come on, perfect time. Take a bite, son. Oh. Ow. Fishy.
20 yards.
20 yards? Oh.
I think 20 yards is fair.
In the wind, yeah. All right, fishy, you love apples.
To the left.
You love apples, boy. You love apples. Ow.
All right, ready?
I'm ready. It's swaying.
Oh, I nicked it.
You did.
It stopped it.
All right. Uh-oh, here comes a gust. See what you got.
I let it too much. I gotta get it within these first.
All right. Here, let me get on this side. All right.
It didn't really. I thought it was gonna like explode.
Yeah, I know. You could hurt an arrow. I don't know how
It'll be fine.
far the like hook, the screw-in part of the hook goes in. See ya.
Oh!
Woo! 2 times. That was good. You hit it
Yeah,
3
I hit
times.
3 out of 4. See what it looks like.
Go ahead, fishy. Go ahead, fishy. Oh!
He knocked it off.
Let's see.
That one went right through it.
Mm-hmm.
And
That one nicked it, huh?
look at that. That was the center
Ooh.
shot.
Yeah, that was good.
And yeah, that was the first shot that nicked it. I'm gonna try and shoot it at 30 with what's left.
Mm-hmm.
That's fun. Shooting at a moving target. Oh. You're apple juicy. Come on, boy. Go.
Come on, fishy. We have a new game to entertain the pup. Come on, fish. Good boy. Hear the hummers? Where are they? Hummingbirds flying right over our head to our feet are up there.
Yeah, this is gonna be.
All right, let me put the pups up. Come on, pups. Come here, puppies. Hey, Fisher, come here. Stay here. Y'all stay right here. Stay. All right, you ready?
Yeah. Where you staying, right there?
I'm gonna stay here. I'll stay a little bit closer and zoom in.
Oh! What the hell was that?
You shot the rope.
I think it hit that hook. I think the hook went flying out of the apple. I saw something go flying in the woods.
Hold on, let me get the dogs. Come on, come on. Well,
Yeah, I shot the apple. It hit the hook and ripped the
hook out.
I bet I hit the hook and not the straight up apple.
So how does your arrow look is the question.
Fine. It's got apple juice on it. Oh yeah, look. See right there. Damn, it broke the arrow.
Mm-hmm.
Another one down. Maybe.
Another one bites dust. Another one bites dust. Oh, it's okay, fishy. I just thought you were.
That was fun.
Say you did it, Dad. You got it. You shot me an apple. Woohoo! I love apples. That's a wrap.